inundated with water and may not be passable. Additional details at 7:11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Gauge reports on Indian Bend Wash have exceeded alarm stage. Flooding is already occurring in the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Phoenix, Mesa, Chandler, Glendale, Scottsdale, Gilbert, Tempe, Peoria, Surprise, Avondale, Goodyear, Buckeye, Apache Junction, El Mirage, Fountain Hills, Paradise Valley, Tolleson, Wickenburg, Youngtown, and Gila Bend. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 11:15 a.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona. The current time is 7:17.
Didn't that just say 4 hours?